motivated to show every I'm working on becoming MartyBlendz. One thing about me is I believe in going 100% towards anything.
That's the best version of myself would be a priority.
We all have a different perspective towards things in life. In my eyes, barbering means more to me than just cutting hair. It's a way in which I can express my creativity and lose full focus towards the real world. See, anyone could just pick up a pair of clippers and use this as a side hustle. But what they don't understand is that there has to be love and passion to create true art. To be completely honest and transparent, I never imagined myself cutting hair for a living. Family is what led me to finding my passion for what I do today. It was the beginning of a new semester in college, and just like any other full-time student, I didn't have much money from working at my nearest donut shop. This meant that every time school would supply me with financial aid, I would completely blow it on anything but books and school supplies. I did that for a couple semesters until one day I found myself sitting in class watching haircut tutorials while my professor gave a lecture. I went from watching one video to hundreds of others, and within no time I ended up cutting my younger brother's hair with a cheap pair of clippers my mom got when she attended cosmetology school.
You've confessed all you had to do.
In fact, one of the main reasons I say family is what led me here is because of a small incident my mom went through trying to become a hairdresser. People never really cherished her work, but now that it's in my hands, I'm motivated to show her what she created. Aside from that, I clearly knew nothing towards barbering, but one thing about me is I believe in going 100% towards anything you set your mind to. Therefore, I kept trying to perfect every haircut even when it took the entire day or night.
Who are the ghosts watching over us? Who do we follow when we're lost?
With that being said, I used my school money that semester to buy my entire barber kit. I was absolutely clueless on how much an online order could have impacted my life. I then started with my brother, onto his friends, then mine, and everyone around me that gave me a shot. To this day, I do appreciate everyone that was involved in my beginning.
You've confessed all you had to do.
Eventually, there came a point where I had to choose school or barbering because of the amount of clientele my haircuts attracted. This is when I had to turn direction and drop school to actually dedicate my time for what I really wanted. Like most parents though, both disagreed on the idea of barbering, but eventually accepted the fact that my work was speaking for itself. After being consistent for about 4 years, I truly believe that this is what I am meant for. I am working on becoming the biggest and the best in this industry. Becoming the best version of myself will be a priority, as well as a clear vision I have for my dreams. Prepare to witness my way of taking over. I'm MartyBlendz, and welcome to my channel.